Hey guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady, loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. You know you rock. My link didn't want to come out. Today I am happy to be doing an unboxing from a friend, Stef Hall. We did a plant swap, and I'm excited to see what she sent because she has an amazing collection of plants as well as a plant shop with her daughter Harley G. I'm gonna link their channel information down below, as well as her other daughter Morgynn. They are a beautiful family, and they're so amazing. I highly recommend their channel, so check them out, and let's get to it. Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm super excited to bring a a plant haul, a plant unboxing from plant friend Stef Hall. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, please check out her channel. She's amazing. She has a beautiful collection of plants, super knowledgeable, sweetheart. I'll put her information for Instagram and her website down below. Also her two daughters, Harley G and, oh god, I forget the name right now, but I'll put her information down below as well. Another plant channel and plant related channel, DIY, her daughter. Wonderful ladies. They are super supportive, amazing, and just kind-hearted people. I'm excited to open up this box, and I forgot to cover the address, so I'm gonna have to bleep that out somehow later. But we did a plant swap. She had a wish list plant that I had, and I'm super excited to see what she sends. I didn't, you know, she was like, what do you want? What do you need? What do you love? I was like, anything, pretty much. So I'm sure anything that she sent me, I'm gonna absolutely love. Oh, I hope you don't mind me reading the card. I love cards. Hey plant friend, thank you. There are many places you could go for plants, and we are so honored and grateful that you come to us. We take the honor earnestly. Healthy, highly sought plants at reasonable prices are what we want for you. Thank you again so much for your support and trust. Plant on. And they do have a website, theplanthall.com, and I'll put that information down below as well. Okay. And it says, your plants have traveled a long way in a dark box. Yellowing leaves, leaf loss can be expected. Give the plant some time to adjust. Broken stems can happen. Don't worry, they will grow back unless it is the main stem. Then contact us. Keep plants in its nursery pot if it came with one for at least 1 week before repotting. Let plant rest in a warm place. If dry, give a little drink. Send us a picture of your plant immediately upon opening if the plant has been damaged. Now, that's probably from like her website. So, this is the part I really want to get to. And it's a little thank you card, super cute. It says, okay, so it says which ones we have here. Dischidia, apple leaf. New leaves come in red. It's so cute. Anarupsalis, mesembryanthemoides. Hey Ruthie, thanks for swapping with me. My husband is going to be so excited. I hope you like these plants. I don't have any phylos that you don't already have. At least not any that are big enough to share at the moment. Keep being your sweet and beautiful self, Stef. Oh, thank you, Stef. You are a sweetheart, and please do the same. So I'm pretty sure I don't have either of these, so that's pretty, Dischidia. I hope I'm saying that right. And it's really well packaged with paper, bubble wrap, And hopefully I'm opening it on the right end, the correct end. Ooh, so pretty. When I shipped out her plant, I had watched her daughter Harley G's video on how she ships out plants, and I tried to do a little bit of how she does it, and look, from the looks of her shipment, it got there well. So I'm thinking this is the Dischidia that she says the leaves come in pink. She put tape on the top so the soil doesn't come out with a wet towel to keep the soil a little moist. And I don't see any broken leaves. I don't see any damage to the plant, so she did a really great job at shipping. Really great job. Super cute. And I'm not sure, I'm guessing that it's like, that I can put it like in a hanging pot if it trails down like that. How nice to bring on backwards. So, this one's super cute. Ooh, this one looks huge. Oh my god, it's like a huge pot. Ooh. It's actually a little cool outside today, not too bad for Florida anyway. So I'm able to film out here. I need my scissors. Huge. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. I do not have this Ripsalis. This is cool. I like the little, they almost look like a thinner donkey's tail. A burro's tail. And I can hang this up here outside for now. Oh, and it has a little flower. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, that's adorable. I'm gonna love this guy. I have to find out what it likes. Because if it will do well outside, I may leave him outside. So I know a lot of my Ripsalis are like succulent type, and they like good lighting and humidity. So this is adorable. I love it. I just need to show you the little baby flower. Look at that. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. I really love him, Steph. Thank you so much. I don't have either of these, so this is so cool to add something to my collection that I don't have. I hope you really enjoyed what I sent you and that it's doing well for you. I will link her information down below so that you guys can check her out. She's super sweet, amazing, and I really appreciate her friendship. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place, one succulent plant and cacti at a time.